Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Todoist theme in 2026. If you'd like to personalize the appearance of Todoist with a different color scheme or switch between light and dark mode, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open the Todoist app on your phone, computer, or visit the Todoist website, then sign in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, click or tap your profile picture to open the account menu. Next, select Settings from the menu. In the Settings page, look for the Theme or Appearance section, depending on the platform you're using. Now you'll see the available theme options. Choose between Light, Dark, or System Default if you want Todoist to automatically match your device's appearance settings. If your version of Todoist includes additional color themes, browse through the available options and select the one you like best. The preview will update immediately so you can see how the new theme looks. Next, save your changes if prompted. On many devices, the new theme is applied automatically without requiring you to restart the app. If the theme doesn't change right away, close Todoist completely and reopen it. Also, make sure you're using the latest version of the app to access the newest appearance options. Finally, experiment with different themes until you find one that's comfortable for daily use and helps improve your productivity. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change your Todoist theme step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Hey everyone, welcome.